Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix video recording not working in Infinix Hot 60. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option app management. Now click on it and then click on app list. Now scroll down and here you can see the option camera. Now click on camera and then here you can force stop your camera. After force stop your camera, then click on storage and cache, and now here you can clear the cache memory of camera. After clear the cache memory, then go back and click on my phone. Now on top you can see the option software update. Now click on check for updates and here you can check your update. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.